Hey everybody, I'm back and I'm ready to give you guys more makeup tutorials and try to do some vloggings this year. But you know, if you're feeling this look, you know, keep watching, like, hey. Anyways, but yeah, keep watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and thank you for watching, guys. I'll be using Wet n Wild Photofocus Face Primer. Now I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation of 355 Coconut. What I used underneath my eyes that I wasn't able to show you guys is LA Girls Pro Conceal of the color of Almond GC979. What I use for contouring is the brand name Cherry Plastic Surgery. You can find this either at your nearest beauty supply store or Walmart or Amazon, whichever. I used hard candy highlighter and it's called Honeymoon. Use ProFusion Treasure Box Cosmetic Collection. I used the blush that's in it. I use Beauty's Factory Professional Cosmetic Eyeshadow Palette, the color of blue for my underneath eye. I use Wet n Wild Glittered called Spiked. Use the finishing spray Hard Candy. For the eyelashes, the brand name is called Eyelene. For the matte lipstick, I got it at Sephora and it's called Tarte. And then for the pencil, I also got it at Sephora and it's called NightHawk.